Either they're gonna fall in love with it or they're gonna hate it.
One sip at a time.
Don't try, it's not good for your health.
No comment.
I've literally seen a guy get on all fours in a... I can't.
I guess a threesome.
People hooking up when they're not supposed to because they're with other people.
I've never been to Bangalore, but as far as I've heard, Bombay is the safest.
I feel probably when they come and approach with saying that, hey, you are a beautiful girl, and I'm like, I know it. People who don't dress well.
People who get, a bit too over-friendly after drinking.
Someone who lacks intelligence.
Someone who drinks more than they can handle.
Too Q&A, like too many question and answers. I don't know what they're fucking looking for, but not a fucking test here.
People staring. That's actually my turn on. But my turn off would be liars.
What's one advice you would like to give someone who's trying alcohol for the first time?
It's good to try, but after 30, it's not your scene.
Don't get drunk.
Don't drink.
Don't have it.
Try it always with your friends.
Don't have vodka.
Stick to whiskey or vodka. Don't try tequila.
Keep it diluted because you don't know what's coming for you the next morning. They don't need to mix up drinks.
Don't overdo it, know your limits and maybe have enough water with it.
Trying the first time is the best time. So have a great time because the initial years are the best ones because right now I feel I miss those days when I tried it for the first time.
Take it slow.
Captain, when you're trying alcohol for the first time, just take it easy and then slowly and gradually you will actually start liking the taste of it. Like it takes time to adapt to the taste, but if you don't like it, then you might not like it.
Don't overdo it, it's not cool.
Don't drink so much because it's your first time.
Do not try. You never know what will happen.
Either they're gonna fall in love with it or they're gonna hate it.
Take it easy.
Definitely drink a bit responsibly and maybe start with a beer.
Don't try it.
Get as much high as possible because there's never a second time. Okay.
Have fun.
One sip at a time.
Have fun.
You're not going to find a limit drinking the first time, so when you cross it, you're probably going to puke. But it's an experience, so do it anyway.
Take it slow, take it simple. Don't mix your drinks mainly.
Don't do it. I think it's boring after a point.
Don't try, it's not good for your health.
What's the wildest thing you witnessed in an after party in Mumbai?
No comment.
Probably going to Marine Drive, having a nice cup of boost or chai, and just a night drive, I guess. That's probably the very chillest after party scenes, I feel.
A fight?
People were there on a table and they were puking in the ice bucket. I've literally seen a guy get on all fours in a... I can't.
I don't think I can say it.
Pub brawls.
So less alcohol and more of blackout is the wildest thing. They are being lifted and taken on in a taxi.
I guess a threesome.
I've seen a guy climb up on a chair and you get on the chair and you're supposed to do the whole... You lean on the edge and you go over. So he did that and it didn't really work out so well. So
People hooking up when they're not supposed to because they're with other people.
which city in India do you think is the safest to party at? Mumbai or Bengaluru?
Bangalore any day.
Mumbai, for sure.
I've never been to Bangalore, but as far as I've heard, Bombay is the safest.
Mumbai.
I'll say Bombay because I haven't been to Bangalore much.
I feel Bombay.
I think Mumbai.
You can walk on the road around, even after 12 o'clock or whatever, even if it's 2 a.m., 3 a.m. It's super safe. And also I feel Bangalore is also really safe. And actually it always depends upon, if something has to happen, it'll happen anywhere in the world. So you just have to take care of it.
I feel like definitely Mumbai, being from Mumbai, born and brought up here, I feel like, Bangalore is also pretty safe, but nothing like Mumbai. Like Mumbai, you just, have the space to do what you really want without being judged, so I really like Mumbai.
I'd say Bangalore.
I'll vote for Bangalore.
Mumbai.
Bangalore.
Mumbai.
Bangalore probably.
Bombay. Bangalore all day.
Bangalore! I think Mumbai for now, and Bangalore is upcoming too. With good, decent people. So yeah, I would say I'd give it a shot for Bangalore.
Bombay.
Sorry, but my answer has to be Mumbai. I know you're from Bangalore.
I know Mumbai, same.
Of course, Mumbai, man. Come on.
I haven't actually been to Bengaluru, so I would say Mumbai.
Okay.
Mumbai for sure. Mumbai is the safest for sure.
Mumbai for sure.
What's your biggest turn off?
I feel probably when they come and approach with saying that, hey, you are a beautiful girl, and I'm like, I know it. Something new, maybe, approach. Everybody in Mumbai has the same approach. I feel they should change it.
Bad breath, I think. When someone's disrespectful
In general, their behavior.
People who don't use perfumes at club when they come here, when they dance.
People who don't dress well.
I think someone who doesn't smell good.
When someone talks about how much money they have.
People who get, a bit too over-friendly after drinking.
Fake bitches.
Their smell maybe.
People who kind of like show off, like guys especially who show off way too much.
Yeah.
I mean, just be yourself.
Someone who lacks intelligence.
Someone who drinks more than they can handle.
Someone who doesn't dance.
Body odor.
People that boast about themselves.
Too Q&A, like too many question and answers. I don't know what they're fucking looking for, but not a fucking test here.
People staring. That's actually my turn on. But my turn off would be bad breath.
Bad odor for sure.
Someone who is disrespectful.
People who don't drink.
Liars.